Mr. David Dudley, you're the Regional Director and Head of Jones Lang LaSalle, a financial and professional services firm specialising in real estate services in Abu Dhabi. The company recently published the Abu Dhabi City Profile, where it said the future prospects remain very bright for the capital. Can you elaborate on this?
Absolutely. We see that currently Abu Dhabi is going through a short-term kind of blip. It's a market cycle issue, but medium-term we remain very, very bullish about Abu Dhabi. Strategically, I mean, it's a very important place within the MENA region, and we're seeing that as the MENA region becomes more competitive, then Abu Dhabi is really taking its place amongst competitors. We see that the government's commitment to investing into infrastructure and economic development to grow new sectors of the economy, to diversify the economy, I mean, it's very, very significant for the future growth. That, combined with the weight of wealth that exists in Abu Dhabi, now sovereign wealth driven through oil revenue, but also private wealth, means that it's a fairly unique place here in the Gulf.
Can you explain what shape the capital's economy is in at the moment?
Well, I think that we've had a slowdown in the economy over the last couple of years, that Abu Dhabi was sort of not immune to the global financial crisis that's affected everywhere. Definitely also the slowdown in Dubai had a knock-on effect on Abu Dhabi. So we've seen a slowdown in economic growth. That has then meant a period of weaker demand for real estate, and that's really come about at the time that supply is increasing. We see this as a short-term issue. It doesn't take long before the oil surpluses keep coming back, which then get reinvested into growing different sectors of the economy. That leads to very positive economic growth, and then demand will start to rise again.
The office market is set to see significant delivery. What impact is this going to have?
Certainly there will be a lot more supply that comes forward this year, and it will lead to the market becoming oversupplied in the short term. Sounds negative, it's actually quite a positive thing, because it really means that for the first time we're going to see a choice of high quality office buildings coming to the market. Also, it means that rents are going to fall from really what was an unsustainable level in 2008 and 9 to something that is much more competitive. So we see as the market becomes more competitive, as rents do decline further, that's actually a very positive aspect for demand in Abu Dhabi.
And can you give an overview of the residential market? What's the outlook like for 2011?
I think similar. I think all asset classes are going to be rising in supply this year. For residential, we see anything between about 16,000, 20,000 units coming forward, and that's significant. But again, that's going to create more choice. It's going to cause rents to again decline from something unsustainable to a level which is much more competitive. So it will be good for residents of Abu Dhabi. It's also good for companies, because it means that they can house more of their staff here in the capital rather than have significant numbers commuting every day from Dubai. Certainly on the residential market, we see that the sales market is currently fairly quiet, but really the key right now is the renting market.